Drop wires are the perfect solution for routing cables on poles and fiber to the home applications. We'll show you how to mount it on the pole using a universal console. First, open the drop handle and guide the ADSS cable around the drum, using the opening at the top. After wrapping the cable around the drum, feed it through the bottom opening of the drop. Secure the handle to the universal console that's already mounted on the pole. Then, close and latch the drop handle securely. Lastly, fine-tune the cable's tension. Ensure the drop's orientation is correct with the arrow pointing downwards. Check the application examples.